punishable under section 69.
69.
We were in a relationship. They have traveled across the state of Karnataka, Manoj, and they have indulged in certain consensual physical acts of intimacy. The relationship now breaks down, and every such consensual act, Manoj, is now
Why did you break up? Finish seeing Karnataka. You should have gone out of the state.
The relationship has broken down, and all these consensual acts, Manoj, are now categorized as inappropriate touch, false promise to marry, and even rape. On a bald and vague assertion, Manoj, the entire family has been included: parents, sister, uncle, cousins, everybody. Punishable under section 69.
69.
The petitioner number 1, Manoj, is 20 years. Complainant is 21.
Petition number 1 is 20 years.
And complainant
ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 20 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ.
Possible. They're batchmates in an engineering college, Manoj. If your lordships take the complaint at page 25, admittedly.
You're in a hurry to get married, is it?
No.
Then
we were in a relationship. Admittedly and demonstrably, Manoj, this was a romantic relationship.
How do you demonstrate?
There are photographs, WhatsApp chats, Instagram,
right. Yes.
everything.
Admittably, okay. Demonstrably,
They have traveled across the state of Karnataka, Manoj, and they have indulged in certain consensual physical acts of intimacy. The relationship now breaks down, and every such consensual act, Manoj, is now categorized.
Why did you break up?
Manoj, there are a myriad of reasons, Manoj.
Finish seeing Karnataka.
One, there was her probably could not go out of Karnataka.
You should have gone out of the state.
The reasons are many, Manoj. There is an aspect of cheating. Volatile attitude.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cheating ಅಲ್ವಾ?
I haven't. Volatile attitude of the complainant. Very aggressive. Also has indulged in she's physically assaulted me. Multiple reasons, either which
she has assaulted you.
Instigated by him. In the WhatsApp at least. Either which way, the relationship has broken down. And all these consensual acts, Manoj, are now categorized as inappropriate touch, false promise to marry, and even rape. The first of
very inappropriate touch ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
It's so many contradictions within the same complaint, Manoj. The first of the act is in April 2025, then May 2025, June 2025. Despite one incident, multiple incidents.
Obviously, you said state alva.
November 2025 is the last of it, Manoj. There's a delay of about 6 months.
Delay? Where there's no delay here.
Of a year. First incident.
Last of the incident yavaga?
November 25.
November 25.
And Manoj, on a bald and vague assertion, Manoj, the entire family has been included: parents, sister, uncle, cousins, everybody.
Why others also?
The only allegation, Manoj, is at paragraph 8, wherein they say the accused and his family members openly claim that his family has political influence and financial power, and threatened that they could escape legal consequences.
How college new?
It's a New Horizon Engineering College in Bangalore.
So widen your horizons.
But there was no false promise of marriage.
Of course, you can't. 20 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು?
The legal permissible age. ಗೀಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿದೆ.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. Smoking weed. As per her assertion in the paragraph number 1, paragraph 2. Para 2.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಥೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Gone to Bali.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ?
He instigated in WhatsApp. Also assault, physical assault.
69. Physical assault, I will not.
No, it's not even invoked. No, it's there. Allegations are there. 308(3) extortion ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then they say
relationship on consensus you may have, but no assault on the lady.
Assault. There is no assault. There is a medical. They have been subjected to medical examination. Everything is normal. They had filed it, Manoj, before the bail court. Everything is normal.
Bail ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Bail, Manoj, they dragged for an entire month. Everyone kept coming. It's posted for orders on the 4th. Para 5 and 6. The father would come, Manoj, and say multiple things. Was that internal chats between them, my lords, would demonstrate that everything is consensual, everything was
So no,
fine.
69 I will stay.
There is
69
no
is
other
not a
allegation.
problem, but if you have indulged in iota of assault on the lady, I will not keep quiet.
The other offense, my lords, is extortion, and the other one is 190, that is unlawful assembly. To only rope in the
Lawful
family
assembly,
members.
fine,
There is
will
no
not.
assembly itself, my lords,
69
let alone
illa, 119 illa, 190. Then,
not even 308(3), which is
ಬೇರೆ
extortion.
ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
That's all, my lords, 3 offenses.
And why all members of the family?
No, that is what para 9 he read. Para 9 he says that.
Hmm.
He says that.
Para and continuous abuse, so and so chats, legal action, third person.
The para. Family members may not be necessary, but at least for against him.
69 I will stay insofar as you are concerned, family members will stay. What are the other offenses alleged?
Apart from extortion and unlawful assembly,
Extortion in
nothing
ದುಡ್ಡು
else.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
No, the way she's invoked the offense, my lords, is that there were certain photographs that were exchanged amicably amongst the two.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ produce ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
It was blackmailing anta.
You produced everything here, so you have photographs.
Right? No, the photographs of each other. I have nothing to hide.
Para
And they are engineering students. He's 20 years old, my lords.
So, obviously, on deceit, promise of marriage cannot.
There's no question of assault or anything.
Why? Oh,
Yeah,
you.
Madila.
In fact, she has assaulted you.
Yes. In class.
In class, student or teacher?
Student.
Student. Yes. The petitioners, several accused, all members of the family, even outsiders, are dragged into the web of crime in crime number 196 of 2026, all for a relationship between the first petitioner and the complainant, the second respondent. She is older to you.
Yes, by 1 year.
Classmate andre?
One day batch ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Parvala. Yes. The first petitioner and the second, Srimati, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Sorry, by mistake.
The first petitioner and the second respondent, complainant, have had a relationship. Not platonic, obviously, but indulged in several sexual escapades. On an allegation that it was on breach of promise of marriage, the first petitioner had indulged in all such sexual escapades. A crime comes to be registered on
4/5/2020.
on 4/5/2026 for incidents that took place a year ago, close to a year ago, or intermittently a year ago. All the members of the family of the first petitioner are dragged in as observed here and above without any rhyme or reason for the notwithstanding the fact that the relationship was only between the first petitioner and the complainant. The petitioner takes this court through the chats between the two to demonstrate that all the acts were consensual and were not on the promise of marriage. Section 69 is unequivocal. A person indulging in sexual intercourse with a woman by deceitful means on promise of marriage would only come within the ambit of section 69. The petitioner, being 20 years old, a student, engineering student, would prima facie not indulge in promise of marriage at that age to the complainant for section 69 to be roped in.
That may not be.
ಆ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 10 ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ, ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. All these acts between the two being consensual cannot mean that section 69 can be roped in. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay insofar as section 69 is concerned, insofar as it relates to the first petitioner. and there shall be an interim order of stay of all the offences of all investigation qua the other accused. Insofar as the offence under section 308 is concerned, the investigation shall go on against the first petitioner only. Yes, one additional SPP, two emergent notice.
Extortion may not. There is no allegation.
Investigation ಆಗಲಿ. ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
No precipitative action.
ಅದು ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Larger of the offense I have stayed.
As the hearing progressed, the court examined a challenge to criminal proceedings initiated under Section 69 of the Bharati Nyaya Sanhita. The defense argued that the relationship between the complainant and the first accused was consensual and had continued over a considerable period of time, making the allegations of deception and false promises of the marriage highly disputed. Counsel further emphasized that the first accused was a young engineering student during the relevant period and questioned the basis on which multiple family members had been drawn into the case. According to the defense, the parents and relatives of the accused were implicated without any concrete material showing their involvement in the alleged acts. The court was also taken through the timeline of events, with counsel pointing to the alleged inconsistencies and arguing that the inclusion of family members was unsupported by evidence. After considering the submission, the court found that there was insufficient material at this stage to connect the family members to the alleged offences. As a result, the bench granted interim protection and stayed the proceedings against them. However, court made it clear that the case against the first petitioner would continue and be examined on its own merits in the course of the proceedings.